For those that don't know, I know how to do individuals. So this is day one of braiding my hair. You see my hair done grew out. So I'm about to do some individuals, y'all. Stay tuned. So this is the first process. You gotta do your little ponytails, you know, your sections and stuff. So let me get to the back, as y'all can see. Okay, y'all, this process is done. I got my little ponytails in here. My sections, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's about 8 of them in there. So it's gonna take me a minute. But y'all stay tuned. Y'all see the process.